The world is filled with famous landmarks. But what about the places that don't make the headlines? Today, we'll take you to 3 breathtaking destinations, hidden from the crowds, untouched by tourism, and waiting to be discovered. In the middle of Peru's vast desert lies a surreal sight, Huacachina, a true oasis surrounded by golden sand dunes. This tiny village wraps around a natural lagoon and is often called South America's only true desert oasis. It's a place of contrast, tranquil waters by day, adrenaline-fueled dune buggy rides by sunset. From the top of the dunes, you'll witness sunsets that stretch beyond the horizon. And as night falls, the desert becomes a canvas of stars. How to get there? Take a 5-hour drive from Lima to Ica, then a short ride to Huacachina. Best time to visit? Between May and September, dry, sunny, and cool. Things to do: sandboarding, dune tours, stargazing, or simply relaxing by the lagoon. In the far north of Norway lies a secret archipelago that few travelers ever reach, the Lofoten Islands. Picture jagged mountain peaks rising from turquoise waters, red cabins along icy shores, and skies that glow with the northern lights. Though it sits above the Arctic Circle, the islands remain surprisingly mild, thanks to the warm Gulf Stream. And whether you visit in winter for the aurora or summer for the midnight sun, Lofoten feels like another world. How to get there? Fly to Leknes or Svolvær from Oslo, or take a scenic ferry from Bodø. Top things to do? Hike Reinebringen, kayak in crystal-clear fjords, or just disconnect in a Rorbu cabin. Did you know? Lofoten has one of the highest temperature anomalies in the world. It's much warmer than it should be for its latitude. Now for one of the strangest and most hauntingly beautiful places on Earth, Lake Natron in northern Tanzania. This lake is bright red, almost alien in appearance. Its color comes from salt-loving microorganisms that thrive in its extreme alkalinity. Few animals can survive here, but flamingos do. In fact, Lake Natron is their most important breeding ground in East Africa. Why visit? It's one of the most surreal landscapes on the planet. Is it dangerous? Not to humans, but the high alkalinity can preserve animals that fall into it, almost like stone. Best time to go? July to October, when flamingos gather in the tens of thousands. He say hidden places may not be on your radar, but maybe that's what makes them special. In a world full of noise and crowds, there are still quiet corners where nature whispers instead of shouts. So, which of these secret wonders just made your bucket list? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite hidden destination. New cinematic escapes every week.